Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Jasneet Kaur. In today's video, we will discuss objective type questions and answers of first chapter of class 12th. But before getting ahead, do not forget to like, subscribe and share to my channel. To receive notifications, do hit the bell icon. In today's video, we will discuss 20 objective questions, and in the next video of the same chapter, which is work, livelihood and career, I will cover short answer questions. Students, before watching this video, I would recommend you to go through all 6 parts of chapter 1. To check out the playlist of this chapter, click on the description box below. So without further delay, let's begin with our very first question. For positive and adaptive behavior, what kind of abilities person must possess? The correct answer of this question would be life skills. To deal with day-to-day challenges, basic life skills like problem solving, critical thinking, effective communication, decision making, interpersonal relationship skills will help an individual. Next question is, career is driven by having a deep desire to do something in likable field. Moving on to our third question, Sunil constructs beautiful garments. He wants to excel and grow in this field of work. This work would be termed as, correct answer of this question would be career. We can call it as Sunil wants to build his career in garment construction. Talking about question 4, in rural areas of India, agriculture is considered as main occupation and source of livelihood. Agriculture is the process of producing food, feed, fiber, and many other desired products by cultivation of certain plants. In question number 5, you are supposed to state in which year these acts were passed. So, the Plantation Labor Act, which focus on the health and well-being of laborers by regulating the conditions of laborers at work, were passed in 1951. The Factories Act, which also focuses on occupational safety and health of workers of factories in India. It deals with various problems like safety, health, efficiency, and well being of persons at work. It was launched in 1948. Moving on to the next one, the Mines Act. It focuses on the regulation of labor and safety in mines. It was passed in 1952. The next act, which is Employees State Insurance Act and Maternity Benefit Act. These acts focus on providing certain benefits to employees in case of sickness, maternity, and employment injury. These acts were passed in 1948 and in 1961 respectively. Moving on to next question, which you all must have heard in a lot of campaigns and advertisements on television or in newspaper. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. The scheme was launched when and by whom? So, it was launched on 22nd of January 2015 by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Moving on to next question. Which article of the Constitution of India guarantees equality of opportunity for all citizens in matters relating to employment and appointment to any office under state? The correct answer is Article 16(1). Moving on to our next question. What do we call the study of work where primary goal is to adjust worker to his or her work environment? The correct answer is ergonomics. The next question talks about the 4 pillars of ergonomics, which are anthropometry, biomechanics, physiology, and industrial psychology, in which anthropometry refers to the measurement of height, weight, and body size. Biomechanics refers to the science of movement of a living body, including how muscles, bones, and ligaments work together to produce movement. And physiology and industrial psychology deals with the effects of environment on the employees at the workplace. In the next question, we can see ergonomics is the adjustment of human and machine. The next question we have just discussed anthropometry is the science that measures height, weight, and size. Moving on to question number 12. Name the act which creates new and innovative enterprise, product, or services. The correct answer of this question is entrepreneurship. The people who creates new innovative enterprise or product or services are known as entrepreneurs. Now, as per the question number 13, students, you can write the names of any of the well-renowned entrepreneurs who had great vision. Here I have written the names of Mr. Narayan Murthy, J.R.D. Tata, and Dhirubhai Ambani. Moving on to our next question, to provide financial assistance means to provide financial help to the people who have recently started their business. Government has set up financial institutions. Financial institutions are the companies in the financial sector that provide a broad range of business and services, including banking, insurance, and investment, financing the small and medium scale enterprises, and similar other roles. By providing these services, they act as a government agent for economic growth. Let's move to question number 15. In this, we will talk about the full forms of these particular terms, where KGBV stands for Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya, BBBP stands for Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, RTE stands for Right to Education, ESI stands for Employees State Insurance, SSA stands for Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, NPA stands for National Plan of Action, and KVIC stands for Khadi and Village Industries Commission. Question number 16. The organization which is responsible for the implementation of Equal Remuneration Act is known as International Labour Organization. Equal Remuneration Act focus on providing equal money to men and women workers for the work of equal value. Along with this act works in preventing the discrimination on the ground of sex against women in the matter of employment. Next question is very simple. Fishing is popular traditional occupation of India because of large coastline. 18th question. The value of all goods and services produced within the geographic boundaries of a nation or region within a specific period of time is known as, yes, you all guessed it right, gross domestic product. In the question number 19, the art which is shown in the image is the example of, yes, it is the example of visual art. Visual art include those creative products which are appreciated by vision or sight, such as painting, sculpture, architecture, etc. Moving on to a last question, that is 20th. Dash refers to the means and occupations by which a person supports oneself to meet basic needs and sustain one's lifestyle. Correct answer is livelihood. So that's all for today, students. I hope these questions will help you while preparing for your exams. I will upload short answer questions also of the same chapter. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will get back to you soon. Till then, bye bye and stay blessed.